Which of the following is not a vector quantity? This also asked in Jepar and simply. Which is not a vector quantity? Angular momentum, angular impulse, kinetic energy, magnetic intensity. Which one of the following is not a vector quantity? But others are scalar. Only one is not a vector. But other three are vector. Angular momentum, you know vector quantity. Kinetic energy, that is the thing you have to understand here. Angular impulse. Energy is vector. Magnetic intensity also vector quantity. We know B vector. Whereas angular impulse is not vector quantity, it is a scalar quantity. Angular impulse you know, force. Similarly, angle also there.